I'm in the wrong place. I'm in trouble here. Just getting a little bit ridiculous. Someone doesn't want you coming here. Straight into proper country. Look at this. Right along the edge of the Mersey. What a place this, isn't it? Pretty sure that's an old railway line. Oh well, the sag on that. I didn't expect it to be this overgrown. No way, is this it? Oh my god. Really? I love it.
Yeah, I'm laughing now, but it got much, much worse later on.
Well, that's lovely. And so is that. What a gorgeous little house. Everything is so cute around here. There's a very well known and unusual bridge coming up. You actually have to pay a toll to get over it. There's work going on. Weak bridge. It's okay, I've lost some weight. Oh wow, they have done some work on it. Let me just get a shot through here. I can't see what I'm looking at. I'm going over the Manchester Ship Canal at this point. You wouldn't know it.
And this is what it looks like normally.
Anyway, it's good to see it's been rebuilt. Everyone was worried it was just going to be knocked down. I'm going to do a cheeky ride down here to see if I can get a picture of it. There it is, all being rebuilt. Well, I never am actually in Trafford. Gorgeous old thing, isn't it? Look at that. That's proper old. Original gas lights. Well, this is lovely. I think it's a dead end. Beautiful. 1790. It's Public Bridle Way. Did you get that? The Bollin Valley Way. I'm not exactly sure this is the right way, but happy accidents and all. That's a lot of sheep. Sheepy, you lost. No, don't run. Don't run in front of me. Past him. That's the one. Hey! Just scared that heron. I presume that's a flooded quarry, but it looks really nice. Oh, it's just gorgeous. What a gorgeous trail. Have I said gorgeous enough? It's my new word. Have I got this wrong and that's actually the Manchester Ship Canal? I presume it's the Mersey. I don't know if you can see. Just there, burnt out car, upside down. I haven't looked at the map for ages. Ooh, there's a path under there. How'd you get to that? My god, that was so slippy. Oh, it's not a path at all. It was worth a look, wasn't it? Taking a chance here. Yeah. Oh dear. I know where I'm going to. I'm going to that. Is this the only way to get there? Oh my god. My goodness. Okay, this is getting a little bit ridiculous, but I'm going to persevere. Oh my god. Wouldn't like to say what this is. It's a bit bloody steep. Oh. Too slippy in the middle. So this is the disused railway bridge, and they're not messing around when it comes to stopping people getting in. Yep, no chance. You'd have to bring a ladder. So slippy. I rode up for that. I'm just going to see if this is a better way out. Please let this go somewhere, please. Well, even if it doesn't, it's a fantastic track. This goes on for bleeding miles. When will it end? Project or spares? Pick your choice. I've been on it for miles. Let's find out where the hell I am. Ah, giant Lego. Let's see if I can get through here. Oh, just. Oh, that was tight. It says gasworks on the Ordnance Survey map and it's not lying. Oh dear, someone's left their keys. And we're going over the Mersey, the historic boundary of Lancashire and Cheshire. Pipe kind of spoils the look. Okay, I think this is the way. You always hear me saying that. I think this is the way. All nicely abandoned. Wellcare Country Park. Actual horse poo. Proper country. It's suddenly gone a bit cool and breezy. Up there is the railway track that's still in use. It's going narrow again. Don't they regularly mow this? What's going on? Thing to ride through though. Just look at that. Wow. Oh no. This path is on Google Maps. Oh yes, look at this. So many interesting places that you'd never know. Now these are the docks and I've heard that they're fenced off. Yeah, that's impenetrable now. I have to turn around. Back this way. It's lucky I don't get hay fever, isn't it? Starts coughing. Ooh, all the horses like the power cables. Well, we're certainly here. And there's the ubiquitous supermarket trolley. Aha, the locks. Cheers. This is the place to go. Ooh, what's your favourite smell? Two-stroke, baby. Oh, that was noisy. The dogs or what? Hey. Cheers. Whoa, nearly got you. No cycling over the docks. Hey, all the way out. They haven't come down here on motorbikes, have they? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a working railway. That's what I've just crossed over. Earlham Park. Walk, cycle, run. Sorry Earlham, it feels like a bit of a dump. It's hardly a park. It's just a little path through two industrial areas. What the hell is this? Doesn't go anywhere. The path keeps crossing across the road. Now I'm back on grass. Sod it. It's a fat bike. I realise where I am. Out there is that railway viaduct that was cut off. Remember, I climbed up it. Right next to a really busy road. I just turned off down here and I think I've found fly tipping central. I love it. Oh my god. Well, they must be able to drive a van down here to bring the stuff. Doesn't look that good for vans. Ruddy long and bumpy way to bring rubbish. That's where I was, and that is the upside down car I saw. Yes, it certainly is. I've got the feeling I'm going to end up in a hillbilly farm. Now going down here, no idea where it leads to. I'm back at that bridge that I was looking at, the one that's been repaired. There you go. There's the complete thing. I'm guessing I can ride through. Don't see why not. Hello. Goes on forever. Are they those poisonous plants? I'm not sure. I'm not going to eat them, put it that way. It's a kind of a weird scenery here. I don't know what's growing in that field. Look at the size of that big boy. Just goes on forever and ever. Straight in. Well, this is the way, because there's the M6 that I went under. I was to get all the way to it. Oh, uh-oh. Seems to be a bit of a dead end. A bit of a big job. But I can get through here, across a bridge. Not easy to get onto it though. I think there's a footbridge down there. Now this is the bridge I was thinking of, but I think there's a walkway there. Might be a bit safer. Someone doesn't want you coming here. No, I'll have to do the big one. Bloody hell. Oh. That's all going up. Right. No idea. Let's just keep going and hope for the best. You're hoping that round the corner you don't get completely blocked, because you have made so much commitment to get here. Well trod path. It's lovely though. Oh my god. Oh. Oh no, it's running out, it's running out. Oh no, it's free again, it's back again. Seriously? Bloody hell. I got my helmet ripped off then. Here we go, it's still going. It just goes on and on and on. I'm just 180'd on myself, I'm getting a bit concerned now. I have to stop and look to see where I am. Is this going to be a tip or something? I think that I took this trail on a complete whim. I just went, oh, you know what? Let's see where this goes. That was about 3 miles ago. I think this is where I was before, surely. Ladies and gentlemen, the M6. I think my path was up there. Let's see if I can climb up this. Nearly. Shizen. I'm in the wrong place. I'm stuck. There's nowhere to go. I'm in between the two rivers, between the Mersey and the ship canal. Oh my god. I'm just going to have to go down here if I can see any way getting across. There must be a way of getting across, because vehicles must come down here to work on the bridge. Surely there must be a way back to the roads. Right, let's see how this goes. Bit of an issue. I've met a really large gate. Jesus Christ. On a bike. Jesus, I'm in trouble here. Hey! I made it. Oh my god. Look at those arms. That was fun. Thank the Lord Jesus. I didn't think I was going to make that ride. Took a bit of initiative, but I've got here. All I got to do now is cross the weir.
I have to say that did get a bit stressful. Around that bridge, it felt like something out of Deliverance. I expected to hear a banjo playing. And the long trail after it just kept disappearing and reappearing. I just didn't know whether I should have turned round. But I'm glad I kept going, got there in the end. Thanks for watching, see you next week.